Hi, welcome to SAN GABRIEL. This is the biggest, baddest Airbnb in the history of Las Vegas. This 9,000 square foot mansion with 7 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. We created a full Las Vegas themed home with a full basement, arcade game room, we also included a kids room as well as a full gym so you can get your workouts in. Beach volleyball court, pickleball court, and basketball court. This property also has a full casita with 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Enjoy your mansion with your friends and family on your next vacation.